Guys, welcome back to another video. So today I actually got the 501st Legion Clone Trooper set. I bought it at Target and I can't wait to build it. So yeah, does it have any tape or do I just have to? Yep. No tape on that side, no tape on that side, so I have to use these things. Well, I want to keep the box though. Hold on, I'll be right back. Oh, my scissors won't even work. Let's see. Can I open this up without tearing the box? I don't think I can. Oh my goodness, man. Come on. I want to open this and build this. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Stickers? Really? Okay. This is the box. I'm actually going to keep the box because, well, first of all, who won't? I mean, this is my dream Lego set. I'm actually getting this for Christmas. So yeah, I'm going to keep boxing because that's pretty cool. So this is all that comes with the set. Bag one. And then bag two. I'm pretty sure bag two is the ATRT. And then bag one is actually the speeder. So yeah. We open it up to the back of everything. Okay, let's go. So that's that set. And then we have General Grievous, Obi-Wan Kenobi, and a 212th Airborne Trooper. And then over here we have a Bounty Hunter, Baby Yoda. Then we have a Scout Trooper, Mandalorian, and I don't know that guy. And then if we go over here, we have a Gonk droid with just normal droid. I don't know who these two guys are. And then we have Ahsoka, her clone trooper. That was the originally one I was going to get, but then I got the 501st one. And then the two bomb battle droids. Then we got R2-D2 and Anakin. And down here we got Emperor Palpatine, Darth Vader, Luke Skywalker, and two Imperial guards. And over here we got two TIE Fighter drivers. Actually, I'm pretty sure I actually have one with the helmet. Yeah, I do. Then we got, I'm pretty sure that's Luke Skywalker with a thermal detonator. Then we got a snow trooper. Another snow trooper. And like an Imperial guy. And over here, I actually have this set. I have these guys. And then I have her. I have two of her. Then I have one of these guys and one of that guy. The set is actually up in one of my shelves. Then if we go back here, we have the complete set. Yeah, pretty cool. Pretty cool. So, I'm gonna actually build this on camera. I'm not gonna build it off camera. It says open bag 1 for 2 501st, 2 501st clone troopers and 2 droids and then the speeder. So I will definitely open this bag. And if I have to move the camera, it's because I'm getting tired. Okay, let's see. So these are the 501st Legion clone troopers. They actually have their phase 2 armor. It's really stiff. Just like Commander Grey's head.
Zoe, what are you doing? You watching TV?
So that's kind of great. If sometimes it's stiff, it either is custom or it comes from Lego and it's like a really old set. So kind of like the clone troopers. Because the clone troopers are from like 2000s. But this like little set,
Okay.
oh my goodness. So yeah.
Going to bed?
Okay, so it's my room. Why would you tell me you're not staying here, are you?
Because I want to watch my show for a hot minute.
Well, I can't watch my show because
I forgot to put the arm that you could hold a gun in on the right arm. Where's the other torso? There it is. Bro. Okay. I don't have anything to put this up on. I'm actually gonna have to just do that. Boom. Now we got the droid. Well, one of the droids. And then we have another one of the droids. Then we have the 501st Legion Trooper. I actually really like the Phase 2 helmets, especially with Rex's and Wolf's. Wolf's Phase 2 helmet, oh my goodness. I actually have Phase 2 Wolf as my background of my phone. So that's really, really cool. I kind of like the Phase 1 armor too. The 501st Phase 1 and Phase 2 armor, I would say it's okay. we actually have spare arms. So that's definitely going to come in handy. Okay, so after I'm done building the guys, it starts off with it starts off with 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. It's a 2x8 base plate. And then you put on this 2x2 little plate, except with this hole. I'll just go along the way and then just watch me build. Hold on. So it goes a 2x2, and then a 2x4, and then a 2x8. Okay, then we need these 3 pieces. So let me put that one right there, and that one right there, and then that piece. Yeah, and then you need these pieces. And you put one right there. Put one right there, and put one right there. Okay, so far we got a bit of it done. Oh my goodness, man. Alright. I need this piece, this piece, this piece, this piece, this piece. Okay, so boom. I need to put that right there. Then I put that right there. And I put that right there. And I put that right there. Put that right there. Okay, boom. So we got the back part, a bit of the back part, I'm guessing. Has to be the back part. Whoa. Alright, so we need this piece, 2 of these pieces, 2 of these pieces. My goodness, man. And then 2. Wait, are those? Yeah, those are great. Here's another one. Okay, so we put one on this. Okay, boom. Then I put on the other one. Okay. Then I put on that like that. And I put on this one. Ow! I just hurt myself. Ow, there's a little dent in my finger. That's what happens when you build Lego sets that are really stiff. Okay, then we put that piece right there. And we put that piece right there. Boom. Next, we take another 1x4, and then we take a 2x2, and then we take a weird 2x2 that, oh my goodness. I put it over that, right? Then I put a gray one like that. Okay, then, boom, Do I need 2 of these pieces? I need 3. Okay, then I put 2 those pieces like that. I put on 1 blue piece. Then I put on 1 of those pieces. And I put on that. And put that right there. Oh! And then you actually need to put that and that. One, two, three. I don't think I have any more. Look, 1, 2, 3. Oh, here's the 4th. Okay, then we need 1 tiny 1x2 plate. Put that right there. And put 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we take another one of these 2x2 base plates that look really weird. And put it on like that. Okay, now we take one of these. We need number 3 on the stickers. Where did I put the stickers? Over there. Where's number 3? Oh, that's number 3.
I swear. No, your Jeep is a fucking asshole is what that was. It's not what that was for.
If I put this on horrible, just don't yell at me, please. I know I put it on horrible. But just please don't be mean to me. I honestly never can put on a sticker right. And I'm not joking. I'm literally not joking at all. I can never put on a sticker right. Oh my goodness, man. Oh, let's see. Let's see. I know I just seen it somewhere. Oh, there it is. Number 1. Okay. And then number 10. Okay, and then number 2. I know I did a horrible job with the stickers. So. Okay, that's way better. Boom. One. Okay, 1. Then I need 2 of these pieces. And 2 of these pieces. Okay, so we start off with this little bar. And we put on those pieces just like that. Okay. Okay. a 2x4 plate. And we need one of these guys. Put them on like that. Need two of these guys. And put them on like that. Okay. We'll take two of these 1x1 pieces with like a little thing. I don't get what the resemblance is on this. What? Okay, that's all we have so far with the speeder. Okay. Okay. This is being held up by a hair. Okay. Yo! Got that, so the handlebars are not sticking up properly. Oh, Pepe. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. El Pepe. Better. Oh. Nope. Okay. Boom. Boom. Now I know how to make this one. Boom, 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 boom. 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 One, two, uno. Okay. Is that it? That's it. Wow. So y'all, that's the speeder. That's already the speeder right there. That's so cool. Although I'm not gonna have anybody writing it, I will be right back though. I will be right back. I am back. I am back. Do not worry. Alright. Well, we're done with that. We can move on. Back to the Alright, let's see what we have here. We actually have two tiny small bags. Instead of one, we actually have two. So this is actually the Jet Trooper right here. I actually already have one, but I never had the normal. And I don't know which one is the Jet Trooper legs, but I know. We gotta keep the smaller bags over here though, because we don't want anything to go wrong with all the pieces. So yeah, and I make sure not to cut any of the pieces whenever I open the bags. So I make sure to not cut any pieces at all. And I literally just bought this from Target around 20 minutes ago. And I was super, super duper excited because I'm getting this actually for Christmas. I was actually getting this for Christmas already. But then I saw that they had it in Target. So I was like, oh, that's super cool. Can I get it? My mom was like, no, you're already getting it for Christmas. But I got it either way. Wait. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Guys, should I build a custom one from a guy that said it looks way more realistic? But I'll just keep one non-realistic one that people say it's not unrealistic. But I honestly don't care. If I have fun building it, then that's all that matters. I don't care what it looks like. I just want to build it. If it's a Clone Trooper set, I'll build it. If it's a Star Wars set, I'll build it. If it's a set that I like, I'll build it. I just want to build the sets of my dreams. This was actually my set of my dream. I was actually really happy to see that it was actually $24 in Target and on Amazon. So I was really happy, and I just bought it with my own money. Now I only have $8 left, which is very sad. That's not good. Anyway, let's see what else we need. We need these guys. Put them right there. I was like, oh my gosh, did I lose a piece? And I was on the verge of crying. But then I saw the right piece that I needed. I was like, thank you, Jesus. And I'm not joking, I was literally about to cry and go ask my dad for help. And I would have cut the video. Well, I wouldn't cut the video, but I would literally stop the video. And I don't care what progress I had made. almost just lost another 2 pieces. It's literally in plain sight. I'm just too blind to see it. Someone human. So I actually recommend you buying this set. It's actually really fun. If you're looking forward to wanting the 501st but Phase 1, then just buy the little tiny battle pack. It has 2 Jedi in it, but battle packs are just made for having collections. And people are disappointed in Lego because well, they're not disappointed in Lego. They just overall don't like the set at all. And I actually kind of agree with them because I don't want to just collect the Jedi. I actually want to make a collection for the clone troopers. But I can't because I'm always going to have 2 dang Jedi. And the battle pack includes 2 Jedi. 2 Jedi. And 2 Phase 1 clone troopers. If you hear that in the background, just don't mind it. My parents are watching Netflix cooking shows. And I kind of like it, but I don't watch it often. But yeah, I see my mom watching it, so I just kind of like it. So I just watch it with her. Oh my goodness, these pieces. Okay, let's see. There's hair everywhere in my house, and I'm literally not joking. It's like everywhere. And it's not just in my room. It's like literally all over the house. Thanks to my mom and every girl in my family. One and two. I know you're just looking at this, or just like this, but this is what I have so far. These two things. Okay, we'll start with this one. This is what I have, and then this is also what I have. I know it's just boring not watching me build, but I don't have a tripod, and if I did, I would put it to where you can watch me build, but I honestly, I can't. I just can't. Because I do not own, none of my family owns a tripod. We only get pop sockets. That's it. Wait, number 6 and 7. Okay, boom. Literally gonna be like Carl. Yum, yum, yum. Ooh doo doo, dummy. That's what I am. Yeah, that's what I am. You can't stop me 'cause I'm a dummy, and you can't change my mind. It's a 1x2. Oh, there it is. There it is. Yeah, man. So much work. Boom, we have the little piece that says 501st. And even when I'm far away, I'll hold you in my arms. Please remember me. I don't know why I'm singing a song from Coco, but I just am. And you can't stop me, only if you shoot me. Okay, let's see. This is gonna be so hard because I'm holding it like this. turned out pretty well. And even when I'm far away, I'll hold you in my arms. So please remember me. There it is. Someone human and run again. Someone human run again.